Why does Argentina have a blue dollar market? Imagine trying to buy dollars in a country where the government limits how many you can get and at what price. That's exactly what has been happening in Argentina for years. When you hear about the blue dollar, it's not just a slang term. It's a real market where people buy and sell US dollars outside official channels. This happens because Argentina has faced many financial problems over the decades. Starting in the 1980s, the country had bank collapses, debt defaults, and hyperinflation that sometimes soared past 1,000% each year. These issues made the Argentine peso lose value fast, and people lost trust in their own money. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, the government tried to fix things by pegging the peso to the US dollar. This meant they set a fixed rate, hoping to stabilize the economy. But the plan didn't last long. By 2001, the peg was broken, and the peso sharply devalued. The country sank into a deep economic depression. To stop capital from leaving and to protect what foreign reserves they had, the government put strict rules on buying US dollars. You could only buy dollars for specific reasons like traveling abroad, and you needed approval from tax authorities. Since many Argentines see the US dollar as a safer store of value than the peso, demand for dollars stayed high. But official channels couldn't keep up with this demand because of the restrictions and limited supply. So, a parallel market for dollars appeared. People started buying and selling dollars outside the government's control, at rates much higher than the official exchange rate. Sometimes the difference was more than double. This gap shows how much economic stress and inflation are pushing people to seek US dollars through unofficial means. The term blue dollar probably started around 2011 during a period of intense currency controls and economic trouble. Some say it might come from the bluish tint of older $100 bills or from the idea of something being unofficial or illicit. This market is a clear sign of how government policies can create underground economies. It also reflects the deep mistrust in official monetary policies and the ongoing challenge Argentina faces with sovereign debt and inflation. For everyday life, the blue dollar affects prices, wages, and savings. Many Argentines prefer to hold dollars to protect their wealth, even if it means going to the black market. It also makes economic planning harder because the official and unofficial rates are so different. This situation shows how long-standing economic instability and government restrictions have shaped Argentina's financial landscape. The blue dollar is more than just a market. It's a symbol of the country's ongoing struggle with debt, inflation, and currency stability.